guys, Kee Rose here. I'm behind Life with Kee Rose. Today we're going to be talking about all things Alizé. I have some super exciting news to share with you, but before we do that, I want to tell you some fun facts about Alizé. Alizé is the OG exotic liqueur. It's imported from France and made with premium French vodka that's delicately blended with passion fruit and natural flavor. My personal favorite fun fact about Alizé is that not only can you enjoy it on the rocks, but it can also be the main ingredient in a super colorful cocktail, which is actually what we're doing today. There are so many different flavors to choose from, so you can find a flavor that fits your vibe. For today's cocktail, we're actually going to be using Alizé's new strawberry flavor. Let's give her a round of applause. This strawberry flavor has a luscious infusion of ripe strawberries and passion fruit, and of course, it is delicately blended with premium French vodka. Now that I've told you a little bit about Alizé, let's actually make this cocktail. Feel free to grab your own glass at home and make it with me. Today's cocktail is called the Strawberry Elderflower Sparkler Cocktail. The main ingredient that you're gonna need today, of course, is the Alizé Strawberry, Elderflower liqueur, fresh lemon juice, 1 fresh strawberry for garnish, and lastly, Caposaldo Prosecco. In a mixing glass, like a shaker, you're gonna combine 1/2 ounce of Elderflower liqueur, 1/2 ounce of lemon juice, and lastly 3 ounces of Alizé strawberry. Then you want to grab a nice cup of ice. Grab your shaker and shake until chilled. I'm getting so excited because I just know this cocktail is going to be so good. Now that it's chilled, we're gonna strain it. I personally love to use a cute glass. Now we strain. Looks yummy. We're gonna top this cocktail off with Caposaldo Prosecco. And lastly, we're gonna garnish with the strawberry. Let's do a taste test. And I'm not gonna lie, I kind of cheated already because I was just too excited. I just couldn't wait. But now we're really gonna do a full taste test, okay? Hold on. So good. I love it. It's very fruity, very refreshing, and it's very well blended. So good. I can definitely say I feel refreshed. We made a beautiful, refreshing, fruity, juicy cocktail together, and I hope that you try it at home. Don't forget to visit Alizé.com where you can see the wide range of products they have to offer, and I'm 100% sure there's something there for you. It was so much fun making a cocktail with you, friends. I hope to see you soon. Be sure to follow me everywhere at Life with Kee Rose. I'm gonna go finish enjoying my cocktail. Bye!